know about the following terms used by the MLS.
If you have any questions, please contact me. You can also follow the link to TeamDuffy.com to get status updates on all properties, see staging photos before and after, and don't forget to stop by the Your Neighborhood page where you can get sold prices, sold dates, and photos of any property within a subdivision. You can also get a CMA sent to you within 1 minute. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day and happy house hunting.